VLOGMAS. Period. Pooh. And we are on day 11. Day 12 is halfway through Vlogmas. Oh my gosh, like this has been my first Vlogmas experience and it has been literally the worst Vlogmas experience. I just feel like going to New York, it kind of got in the way of everything, and I've been behind the whole entire time. It's kind of, I have seen on Instagram like a lot the Christmas eyes that they're doing, like the candy cane cut crease, and like I also seen one with like the ornaments, like they drew little bitty ornaments out with it on their eyeliner, and it looked like freaking amazing. I am not about to do one of those looks. I'm gonna try to do something just like Christmassy, but you know, basic, because like I'm not a makeup artist and I'm basic anyways, so like that's what I'm about to try to do, and it is gonna be a speed through. So let's jump right in. I do want to quickly mention that I already have makeup on from previously today, and I am super lazy and I don't care at this point. I have shown y'all so many times how I do this same makeup look all the time with the same brushes and the same makeup, so I felt like it wouldn't be that big of a deal for me to just come with like my face on. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. This took a little longer than what I expected, and it was really actually super easy. The only like hard part that was going on with this look was like the candy cane part, and that was only because I wasn't using as much pigment as I should have, like packing it on. I feel like anybody that knows how to apply like regular eyeshadow on will really be able to finish this look like super easy. Thanks you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Ring that bell so you are alerted, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye. Love you.